Hello, my name is Randy Fisher. I'm an attorney here in Stuart, Port St. Lucie, and Jupiter, Florida. Today I'm going to address an issue which can happen when you are filing for bankruptcy and you're going through the liquidation of your estate. Now, when you go into the trustee, when you file your schedules, you have some exemptions that apply, and I've covered that in one of the other videos. But let's say, I will give you a hypothetical. You own a car that's worth say $2,000. You've got $5,000 worth of personal property, and you've got a home that you're going to keep. So you're going to apply your exemptions toward the assets that you have. Now, you have to go to my other videos to go through that whole detail. But what can happen in the event that, okay, we're going to apply $1,000 to cover your car? That's your $1,000 exemption under the statute. Then we're going to apply, you've got another $1,000 in personal property. Your car is worth $2,000, and you really want to keep that car desperately. So you're going to take your personal property exemptions and also apply that to your vehicle, because you really want to, in this hypothetical, you really want to keep the vehicle. Now you've got $5,000 of unprotected assets. The trustee at that time now has a choice. They can either take those assets and liquidate them, depending on what they are. They can make you can make an offer to buy that property from the trustee, or the trustee can abandon them. And that's primarily one of the issues that I want to address here, is that trustee does have the choice to abandon those assets. If the trustee finds that the property that you cannot cover isn't really worth anything, or it would take more work to liquidate the asset than what they're going to get out of it, then they do have that option. So understand that when you come into when we sit down and talk about what you want to do with your estate, how we're going to handle that property and how it's going to be covered, it'll be your choice as to whether or not you want to cover some property or not cover some property with your exemptions. But also understand that if it's property that, let's say it's cash in the bank, that is also part of the estate, that is something that can be liquidated very easily. They can just take that money from the estate. You can write a check over to the trustee and you're done. So that asset you may want to cover with your exemptions. But we'll discuss all of that when you come in for a meeting with me. My name is Randy Fisher. I'm an attorney here in Stuart, Port St. Lucie, and Jupiter. My phone number is 772-463-7737. Thank you.